Hi, I'm Matt, the creator of Hawkeye. Traditionally, conducting eye tracking tests can be really challenging. You have to buy expensive eye tracking hardware, you generally have to deal with a tedious setup process, and you actually have to have the tester there in person in order to conduct a test. So even though eye tracking can give you great insight into how people use your products, the actual process of conducting a test could really be improved. Hawkeye lets you conduct eye tracking tests using an iPhone or iPad without any extra hardware. The app uses the TrueDepth camera on newer iOS devices like the iPhone XS and iPad Pro to perform eye tracking. So this makes the testing process way more simple. It's a lot cheaper because you don't have to buy expensive eye tracking hardware, and you can also test with a lot more people because it's all just software based. So I can jump in and show you how the app works. So I'll go ahead and create a new project. The app's also super flexible, so you can test out any website or image easily. So let's go ahead and test out the Urban Outfitters website. So I'll give my project a name, and then I'll type in the URL. Okay, now the app will load in the website. So I can give the test a name if I want. We'll skip that for now. And then I can calibrate the eye tracking. Now as I look around the screen, the cursor will follow. So I'll go ahead and start the test. I can look up at the logo. I can look at this coupon. And then let's shop for some graphic tees. So now as I look around the grid, the cursor will follow my eye movements. So let's finish up this test. Now we can view the results. So Hawkeye breaks down tests page by page, so you can see all of the pages the user looked at during the test. And we'll jump into the first page. And you can see a heat map of where the user looked. So this is a great way of figuring out where the user looked in your website and for how long. So we can also tap at any point on the heat map to get numerical stats. We can also view a focus point diagram, which shows the path of the user's gaze throughout the test. And like with the heat map, we can tap on any of these points to see numerical stats. If you want to share these results with your team, you can just tap the share button in the bottom right corner and then share with any app on the phone. Super simple. Throughout the test, we also perform screen recording. So let's check out a test of the Nordstrom's website I conducted earlier this morning. So we can see a recording. We can see exactly where the user looked throughout the test, and we can also see the touch events they performed. We can jump around the recording to quickly review, and then as with heat maps, if we want to share, you can just tap the share button, share with anybody. Super simple. So that's an overview of the Hawkeye iOS app. Because the app's so flexible, it works great whether you're a marketer, UX designer, advertiser, whatever. You can use the app to start getting great feedback on your products right away. If you want to learn more about the app, you can go to usehawkeye.com. You can download it on the App Store. And if you want to give feedback, check out our public roadmap, which you can find on our website. Thanks for watching.